What is up, sis? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kensha and welcome. So y'all, it's been a couple of weeks since I made a video. I know I have videos recorded that I really just need to sit down and edit and dish out to you guys. But in today's video, this is week 4 of SAS and I'm heading to the store now because I really haven't just bought anything in the last couple of weeks. Nothing has really just gravitated, really got my attention. So, and plus, a lot of the stores have literally been having the same exact stuff, especially for 75% off. I really haven't found any hidden gems because before, like during SAS, you could find hidden gems like all the time, like just things that people brought back or just hidden gems. I did find one hidden gem, which I'm going to record a collective haul for you guys soon with stuff I bought online that is still literally taped up in a box. But so today I'm actually just looking for a cucumber melon and the lotion. That's part of my project pan. If you guys have not seen my summer project pan, I will tag it in the cards. So yeah, today is just basically going to be a walkthrough, see what I can find for 75% off. There are a couple of scents, like I said, that I'm looking for: cucumber melon lotion, the shower gel in confetti daydream, white jasmine. That is a scent that I've really been wanting here lately, and fresh gardenia in the older packaging, like the green packaging, not the white packaging I think it is. So yeah, those are the scents that I've been really wanting. And cucumber melon, the reason why I'm getting that is because it's been my jam lately. That has been really a scent that I've been loving. It's just been super refreshing for summer. I know it's an older scent, but it's really just been my jam. So heading to the store now. This is going to be a store walkthrough. This is Tuesday, July 6th. So this is week 4 of SAS. So also I want to see if some stores have the fall stuff, like the fall candles, because I've been seeing on Life Inside the Daily page on Instagram that some stores have been getting fall candles. So I'm going to see if my stores actually have it. Like I said, it's been a couple of weeks since I've been out. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this video, then stay tuned. So walking into the store, this is the last table, the one and only 75% off table that this store has. They have the cucumber melon, that is what I was looking for, mango mai tai, cherry limeade. On the flip side, they still have the tropical collection items such as Waikiki Beach coconut, Bora Bora, Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. Yeah, so this is all they had left for 75% off. Over here is the 50% off table, sis. So they had the berry waffle cone candle for 50% off, stress relief for 50% off. They got some hand soaps down here, vanilla boardwalk cone, rosewater and ivy, love always wins. And then they also had like some wall plugs that your girl was not interested in for 50% off. But I just wanted to give you guys an overview of what they had over here for the 50% off. So your girl was actually able to find some fall room sprays. So we have the pumpkin apple right here. They have leaves, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, sweater weather, fresh fall morning, and marshmallow fireside, which is a classic. They also had flannel and champagne apples and honey. I was just trying to see down here if they had any other fall room sprays. But up here they have the berries and basils, white tea and sage, lavender and vanilla, crisp morning air. Midnight orchid is one I picked up. I haven't heard anybody talk about it, so I was very intrigued, and it smelled hella good. So if you haven't picked that one up, sis, you might want to try it out. Here we are to the fall candles. This is what I was been waiting for. So they have some white lavender eucalyptus, basil green tea, berries and basils. Y'all, they had a lot of fall scents and they all smelled very good. They also had the vanilla birch over here. On the flip side, they had the more gourmand scented candles. My favorite out of the bunch, surprisingly, was the pineapple pound cake. I think that's what it was. But y'all, that one smelled very delicious. I was just looking over here. I see that they have revamped all of these lotions over here to the hyaluronic acid lotions.
So Dahlia, Midsummer Dream, Sweet Pea, all of those have that new formula of lotion. So yeah, if you haven't tried that new formula lotion out, definitely try it out. It's pretty good. So I've been waiting to see the new aromatherapy collection. This is the hemp seed one with sage and mint. That one actually smelled really good. I was very surprised. It's definitely a minty sage scent, like the name. But this one is my favorite. It's orange and lavender. That combination is amazing. So here is a look at the more fall candles. Um, let's see what they have over here. That cranberry woods, y'all, that's one I'm gonna need to like stock up on. They have the white pumpkin, um, flannel, the cardamom. I didn't like that one. It was very cinnamony. Like the cinnamon was very prominent in that scent. So yeah, here's just an overview of the wonderful candles that they have for fall. Y'all, I am so ready for fall. Like I wasn't at first, but smelling all of these scents in the store, I'm like, yo, I'm ready for fall right now. So I was actually over in the mini section and I found the vanilla scrub, lip scrub, for $10.50. I actually haven't seen any of those in the store, so that was my first time seeing one. They had the pumpkin latte. I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin latte, but they have that if you're looking for the tea tree lotion as well. If you're looking for those in the minis, if you're not just too keen on buying the full size of those items, they definitely have those. They also have strawberry pound cake. So all right, sis, let's go ahead and jump into what I got.
All right, sis, so I'm back in the car. I got a little haul for y'all, plus some goodies, some stuff from the fall collection. So starting off, I picked up a pack of mango Mai Tai, of course, 75% off, because pretty much everything in the store at this point that was on sale is 75% off now. Don't show that yet, girl. Don't show them the goodies yet. We also picked up cucumber and melon.
Melon is body lotion.
Yes, body lotion. And I picked up the You're the One Ultra Shade
Body cream.
Body cream. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So yeah, that is what I picked up for 75% off. And I think y'all, I didn't spend a lot. Let's see. I spent $10.86. So they were $3.37 a piece. The lotions and the body cream was $4.12. Now, like I said, I picked up the fall stuff, right? Like, y'all, I'm gonna have to do like a first impressions of this stuff, but I was able to get it. I picked up the Marigold Sugar Cream Body Mist. The scent notes are golden citrus, sun, marigold, cane sugar, and warm amber. Super excited about this one. This is the one that I really wanted from this collection. I also picked up the coconut candy apple. y'all.
It's my favorite.
This one smells good. Scent notes are candy red apple, shredded coconut, and vanilla spice. I also was able to pick up the honey wildflower. Adore this packaging. The scent notes are crisp pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey.
Yummy, it's my favorite, honey.
And I also picked up black raspberry vanilla. I feel like this has come out before, like during SAS, like a couple of years back, but I'm not sure if it's the same version of this, but the blackberries in this like kind of like compelled me to buy it. I also picked up white tea and sage. They have this in the hand soap, and I picked it up in the body care because I'm like, I think I might like this because I like it in the hand soap. I was able to get the Vampire Blood mini.
Happy Halloween.
Yes, in the shower gel, y'all.
I like
This is
shower
a
gel.
bomb. And I was also able to pick up the Vampire Blood room spray, y'all. You need this. Like, this is good. Like, I sprayed it in store and was like, wowed. I also picked up a fresh fall morning spray.
You like this money?
And I also picked up a midnight orchid. So yeah, y'all, that is it. This is what I was able to pick up today in store and find. If you guys want me to do like a separate review, first impressions of these new scents that I got for fall, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.